First of all, let's see how to add a calendar in WordPress website, post or page. So let's go to page section and let's edit this page, for example. You can do the same steps for your post also. Once you are in your post or page editor, all you have to need, go to the section where you want to add a calendar, and now add a new block. In the search block, type here calendar, and here you'll see this calendar widget. Simply add the calendar widget, and that's it. Here, as you can see, calendar successfully added with current date and year. And now click on save, and that's how we can add a calendar to WordPress website, page or post. Now let's see how to add calendar in our site widget. Go to appearance and click on widgets, and now search for the widget where you want to add calendar widget. So in my case, I'm going to selecting this main sidebar widget, and here I'm clicking on add block, and the same way here you have to select calendar block and your calendar will be added. Now clicking on update, and that's it. Thanks for watching.